Get started by draining the primary fluid. Remove the left side floorboard. Next, remove the outer primary. Remove the 6 bolts from the spring. Then remove the pressure plates and all the clutch discs. Here are pre-wired new clutch plate set. Soak the new clutch plates in the same type of primary fluid that you will be using before at least 5 minutes. Now it's time to install the new clutch plates. A friction plate first, and then follow with a steel plate. Install one at a time. Always use the proper torque spec, as well as the correct tightening. Put the primary gasket back. If necessary, replace the gasket with a new one. Put the primary cover back and tighten the bolts. Install the floorboard back, then complete the replacement.